Understanding the difference between folate and folic acid. Folate and folic acid are essential nutrients often discussed in the context of health and nutrition, particularly in relation to pregnancy and the prevention of certain health conditions. Despite their similarities, folate and folic acid are distinct in several ways, including their sources, forms, and the body's absorption and utilization of each. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed dietary and supplement choices. Folate is a naturally occurring B vitamin, B9, found in a variety of foods. It is essential for numerous bodily functions, including DNA synthesis, repair, and methylation, as well as cell division and growth. Folate-rich foods include leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale, legumes, such as beans and lentils, fruits, such as oranges and bananas, and whole grains. The body absorbs and utilizes folate efficiently when it is consumed through these natural food sources. Folic acid, on the other hand, is the synthetic form of vitamin B9. It is commonly found in dietary supplements and fortified foods, such as breakfast cereals, bread, and pasta. Folic acid is more stable than folate and can withstand cooking and storage, making it a convenient choice for fortification. When consumed, folic acid is converted into the biologically active form of folate, known as 5-methyltetrahydrofolate, 5-MTHF, in the liver and other tissues. However, this conversion process is not as efficient as the body's direct use of natural folate, particularly when large amounts of folic acid are consumed. One of the key differences between folate and folic acid lies in their bioavailability and absorption rates. Natural folate from food sources is readily absorbed by the body and quickly converted into its active form. In contrast, folic acid requires an additional conversion step, which can be less efficient, particularly in individuals with certain genetic variations that affect enzyme function. As a result, unconverted folic acid can accumulate in the bloodstream, which has raised concerns about potential health risks, including an increased risk of certain cancers. Despite these differences, both folate and folic acid play crucial roles in health. They are particularly important for pregnant women, as adequate levels of vitamin B9 help prevent neural tube defects in developing fetuses. Health organizations, including the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and the World Health Organization, WHO, recommend that women of childbearing age consume 400 micrograms of folic acid daily, in addition to dietary folate, to ensure adequate levels of this essential nutrient. For the general population, a balanced diet rich in natural folate is the best way to ensure adequate intake. Including a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains in the diet can help meet the body's folate needs. For individuals with higher requirements or those who may not get enough folate through diet alone, folic acid supplements can be beneficial, but it is important to follow recommended guidelines to avoid potential overconsumption. In summary, while folate and folic acid both provide essential vitamin B9, they differ in their sources, forms, and absorption rates. Natural folate from food is more efficiently utilized by the body, whereas folic acid, found in supplements and fortified foods, requires conversion to an active form. Both are crucial for health, particularly for preventing birth defects and supporting cellular functions. To learn more about the importance of folate and folic acid, watch the recommended videos in the description of this video or explore the associated playlist.